These cookies are easy to make. They have chocolate chips, and they are perfect for dunking. Let's make them together.
È saporito assai.
Let's get started by pouring the softened butter into a mixing bowl. Add in the brown sugar, which will give it a nice color and a more rustic aroma. Alternatively, white sugar is always fine. And a pinch of salt. And now let's beat it until it becomes creamy. Add the egg in too. And keep beating it for a few minutes. At this point, we can add in the vanilla extract, the baking soda, which will give our cookies the perfect consistency, and lots of chocolate chips. And lastly, the flour. Use the beaters again, just long enough to mix everything together. Turn off the beaters and we'll work quickly on the countertop, just long enough to compact everything and get a nice loaf. Let it rest for half an hour in the refrigerator and then we can shape the cookies. Now we will divide the dough into 20 balls, about 30 grams each. Then we have to slightly flatten it on the counter. Then, to form the drop shape, I have two techniques to show you. For the one on the countertop, round out the side and with the other finger, push to form the drop. And now, here's the second way. Hold with two fingers and use the third to form the drop. Like this. When the cookies are ready, place them on two baking trays. Then, in the refrigerator for half an hour before we bake them. Now our cookies are firm, they are ready to be baked at 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes. And finally, it is my favorite moment. Time to dunk them into milk. Oh yes.
Sono saporito assai.